Good morning, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader. It's 11:37 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on Wednesday, November 10th, 2021. This is not financial advice. It's educational. Click the subscribe and the bell to be notified when these videos come out, as well as thumbs up and share the video with your friends and colleagues. We're talking about the Origin Protocol, or OGN. Twitter link below the video if you dare. In the meantime, Origin to US dollar. This is the zoomed out view starting from February of this year all the way here. We are really starting to look like we have an official breakout the longer we stay over this diagonal line. This is very, very interesting and very bullish in my view. Again, not financial advice, but I've seen enough of these to feel comfortable for me. But that being said, this is definitely, we're roughly around $1.15. And looking like a relatively bullish rally since yesterday. We were at $1.05 on the video as of yesterday. So let's drill in a little bit to see where we have potential resistance areas. I think we've got a couple, one at $1.20 and one at $1.40. $1.20 up here, seeming hard to break through. Only over the past week and a half or so we've seen this resistance area. But then our next area of resistance is probably going to be around the $1.40 range. We definitely want to get to our all-time high at some point out here at, this is a 344 handle. So look, this also is looking like a W pattern, which could result in something like that. But it is hard to say right now. The main thing is that we are bullish. We are over this. We've got a lot of good things working for us, not just talking about fundamentals, which is the reason why we even started to do TA on this. It's primarily the fundamentals that attracted me to the Origin protocol, not just the price action. In the meantime, let's go take a look at Origin Bitcoin. Definitely starting to show a nice bounce right off the 1547 range. Pulling back again. We almost got back over this line of resistance, but could not get past it, and we pulled back, and that's all right. We pulled back for a bunch of reasons, and there's been a few today that have really rocked a lot of the altcoin to Bitcoin pairs. Number one, the most important one is that Bitcoin went from 66 to 69 in a New York minute. Now you go over here, and this is the reason why. Inflation surge, 6.2%, biggest in 30 years. That means that gold, things like gold have historically been used to hedge yourself against inflation. Well, that's what Bitcoin is used for these days, right? We're in the new age. Cryptos are here to stay, and Bitcoin is the new digital gold, in my opinion. It has more of a fixed supply concept than gold does. How many gold stocks are out there that are digging for more gold? I think there's an endless supply of gold, but there's always a finite supply of Bitcoin, and that's what makes this more compelling. Now, this is the reason why this went from 66 to 69, hands down. This is why we're seeing Bitcoin going up so fast. If you look at the Origin Bitcoin pair, Origin over Bitcoin, that tells you a lot. If the denominator, which is Bitcoin, is going up very quickly and Origin is kind of staying still, well, that's the reason why the decimal representation of Origin over Bitcoin will go down. Again, if the denominator goes up faster than the numerator, the overall decimal representation of that fraction goes down. And that's exactly what happened here. We were up as high as 1754 early on and just pulled all the way down as a result of that. And again, all driven by this. So you have to kind of do the forensics here to piece it together. But inflation does drive Bitcoin up, and Bitcoin being driven up as fast as that drives a lot of the altcoin to Bitcoin pairs down. Anyway, that's all I've got right now, but we do have a line of support 1547, resistance line at 1706 on the Origin Bitcoin pair. I think things will level off now that the spike is over, and we will continue over this line of resistance, now support, and that resistance area is currently sitting at 97 cents. So we've got, we got to get past 120 to get to our next resistance area of 140. Anyway, we'll keep in touch. Take care. Bye.